Dr. Abdul Kalam was born on 15th October 1931 in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu. His father's name was Jainalabadin and mother's name was Ashimma. He was from a middle class family. Abdul Kalam taught honesty, discipline, and patriotism to his father. He completed his early education from a nearby school. He completed his higher education in 1950 from St. Joseph College in Tiruchirappalli. After that, he studied aeronautical engineering from Madras Institute of Technology. After completion of studies, he became senior scientific assistant in the technical center in DTD&P in 1958. He also worked in the Space Research Committee for a few years. APJ Abdul Kalam's full name was Abul Pakir Jainul Abidin Abdul Kalam Mashaudi. He was also known as Missile Man and the President of the People. He was also honored with Padma Bhushan and Bharat Ratna. He was appointed the 11th President of India in 2002. He served as President from 2002 to 2007 and contributed to the development of the country. On 27th July 2015, he died due to a heart attack. He was cremated with full military honors. Dr. Abdul Kalam was a great scientist. It is said that he used to study both the Quran and the Bhagavad Gita. He was also the Vice Chancellor of the Indian Institute of Space Scientists and Technology. He is successfully completed many space programs of ISRO.